Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram confirmation code not sending on your iPhone or Android. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone and you're facing the issue that your confirmation code for Instagram is not sending or receiving, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing is that you just have to check your network connection that you're connected to a strong and a stable network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your app store. Here you have to simply search for Instagram, and you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. There is no any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find trying to update your app, and after updating you have to simply go back, open your settings app here, and here go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected to any VPN, so you have to try to disconnect with the VPN, then go back from here and you have to check your messages app. Did you have received your message or not? If you're still not fixed, so you just have to open your settings app here, go for general here, go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete any kind of your data, so you can easily try this. After that, your issue will be fixed if it's just a network issue. If your issue is still not fixed, you have to try to make a force restart your phone because sometimes you didn't receive any call due to your phone glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. So after restarting, you have to unlock your phone and retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so you just have to go for your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here. You just have to look for Instagram app and you have to try to offload your app. You can also try to delete app or completely uninstall your app. So just tap on offload app here, tap on offload app again. It will offload your app and after that you have to reinstall apps. After reinstallation, if there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this app and after that your issue must have to be fixed. Or in some cases if your issue is still not fixed, so it might be a network issue or a server issue. You must have to wait for almost 1 or 2 hours and then you have to retry and you will receive the code. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.